Good afternoon, everyone. What's happening? How's your day going so far? I just want to show you this makeshift coffee filter. I put 2 tissues in there because we ran out of coffee filters, and I went to the supermarket on Sunday. Like, small supermarkets don't sell coffee filters here. You have to go to the big, like, E-Mart or Home Plus. And E-Mart and Home Plus were closed on Sunday. They have this thing where 2 days per month, the big guys are closed so the small guy can get a little piece of the pie. And I still haven't gotten any coffee filters, so I did this once before. It worked out fine. Maybe you've done this before. Let's make some coffee. That looks good, doesn't it? What's going on? You wanna go outside? Oh, I'm actually really busy already. We hit the ground running today. I got a message from Hyunu about 15 minutes ago. I gotta respond to him. Here you go.
Thank you.
Careful.
I feel like I look like I'm lazy, but I'm not. I've been doing work just laying in bed.
You're fine. Nobody's judging you. I hope. Cheers, guys. Look at this kitty. Hey, little sweets. It's probably cold out there, and I only have a t-shirt on right now. Okay.
This girl is so excited to go outside. So excited. So excited. So excited.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine. I'm just working on our social media stuff.
That's good.
And Maki's playing.
Are you doing Snapchat?
No, I'm working on a photo possibly for Instagram.
Check her on Snapchat. This is the solution to you guys who want to see her daily life. Because we only have one of these cameras, and plus it would be hard for you to, like, do all that videotaping at school, wouldn't it?
I just don't have time to edit it right now. To videotape and edit, it's more exciting on Snapchat.
Snapchat, you guys. Hey. Hey. Look who's joining me for the walk. Yeah. Weather's actually really nice today. Scared of winter coming. I'm not scared of it, I'm just not looking forward to it. I'm a summer kind of guy. Flip-flops, shorts, t-shirt, sunshine, warm weather, and doggies. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah. Yeah. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Richard. I'm good. Can you talk now?
Yeah, I have a few minutes. Thanks for calling.
Sorry?
Yeah, thanks for calling.
No problem. Thanks for waiting, because I was in the middle of recording something. So.
Hey, you're a busy guy.
I don't want to be.
Check it out. Ri Cham. We just flooded our kitchen.
Not so interesting. Interesting is not the word I would choose.
We're just pulling everything out from under the sink right now, and we're gonna try and figure out what happened here. It's really wet and dirty. Look at this, the floor, all underneath the floor is soaked. So you can move your foot. Oh. Alright, yeah, just pull it out of there. So yeah, here's our floor that our landlord did this probably before we moved in, because there's some issue here. This is all gotta get clean. Yuck. Pretty funny situation.
Yeah, it's almost like the more you try to entertain people by showing them your daily life, the more they want to be entertained, and the more crazy stuff happens in your everyday life.
We could do without this, though. I just wanted these dishes to be done. And now our kitchen's semi-torn apart.
Well, I suppose we could, like, clean out the bathroom a little bit and finish the dishes in the bathroom. You're looking at me like that's a terrible idea, Steph.
Can't believe she just thought of that. No, we don't want to do that. That would be... We could do that, though. Look at our bathroom. Oh. Still got coffee on. Anybody want some coffee? As you can see, we are able to do the dishes. I just finished them. And this is all empty under here still, but it's been cleaned. Floor has all been cleaned. Table clean. Chairs are back. Carpet's back. We still got to put this away. And I think it just overflowed from the overflow here, or water was coming out over here and we didn't notice it because I was chatting with Steph while doing the dishes. And these pipes under here, I don't know if you can see that. They're fine. I mean, I just finished the rest of the dishes and there's no leak. So, it's going to remain a mystery what happened.
She's, no, Dad. No. I just realized I'm hungry.
How I look. Covering up a zit. I can still see it here.
Yeah. I told you might not be able to cover it. Especially since you don't have makeup on the rest of your face.
Check out the little Makis. Hey, I'll give you some light so you can see what you're doing. Kitchen's all cleaned up, but we still have the mats in the bathroom, and we gotta figure out something there. Got the camera here. Just filmed a Like It, which is good, so we got a Like It coming out this weekend. Yay! That's a big win. And there's my lovely bride.
Hello.
Yep, she's still here, which is also good.
Where else would I be?
She's still here. You're still here. You're tired, but you're the cuties, the soft coats. I think I'm gonna hop on a motorcycle and go get some Korean food for dinner because it's about dinner time. It's like Spanish dinner time. Nice part about Korea is I can park the bike right here. And the restaurant's right behind me. Okay, we ordered gogi mandu for 3,000 won, kimchi jjigae for 5,000 won, and Stephanie got jaeuk tteokbap for 5,000 won. Check it out, you can see the bike right there. So this is what it looks like, what I ordered. That is kimchi jjigae to go a la casa de Hallyu Back. Side dishes. Bean sprouts already gone. I'm getting bean sprouts into my vernacular. So these are the candies that Eddie gave us last week. Peppermint Roca, dark chocolate. Reminds me of Grandma's house. 2:45 in the morning. Can you hear that rain? It's coming down hard out there. Hey, what are you doing? Say, I'm not eating the wallpaper, Daddy. What's going on, Smexy?
Trying to film a top 5 so I can go to bed because I gotta wake up early tomorrow and do some schoolwork and then go into school. Because I can't go in without doing any work. Then I look ill-prepared. I gotta make a good case tomorrow. Fingers crossed.
That's a Chinese Weibo.
Yep.
Just uploaded this Kim Soo-hyun video, Hallyu Back news. Check it out. Link. If you're watching this, you can find it easily, I'm sure.
Nice turnover, baby. Way to make the video today and then make it happen.
We're making it happen. Are you guys making it happen in your life? We want to know. We totally want to know. I'm feeling drained and just, ugh.
You need some love.
She's been giving me love this last hour though. It's been helping. It's re-energizing me. Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.
I don't always feel happy and hopeful, you know,
That's part of being a human. You have your ebbs and tides and your ups and downs and re-energize ya. Gotta re-energize ya.
Thank you. And thank you too. Oh, I did want to mention this. Yesterday, the leather jacket video was uploaded. All your comments are really helpful and encouraging, and I didn't respond to any of them on YouTube, and I'm just telling you here, thank you so much. There's only 30 or 40 of you that write comments, but I don't fucking care, man. I'm so happy for each and every one of you when I hear from you, and it means more to me than you know, and I'm silently reading the comments, so that's it. We're out of here. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Hasta luego.
Bye.
This peace sign was in front of your face.
Do you know what happened here? Why this is here?
This is like a stage or runway or some modeling show?
Exactly. They just had Seoul Fashion Week and they had models.
They had Seoul Fashion Week right here?
Well, this was one of the stages. My hair is atrocious.